Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Paragular and you are watching Dipat TV. Broadcasting to you live from Barangay Anonas in the city of Bordaneta in Pangasinan inside Dipat's laboratory. Don Patrick D. Paragular proudly brings to you another edition of our special conference called the Stock Motor Conference here on Dipat's Tamiya League. And now here is your host, Don Patrick Dipat Aguilar. Yes. Hello mga kadipat and good afternoon rather to all who are watching this video log right now, for those who will be watching anytime here inside Dipat's laboratory for race day number 3 of the 8 scheduled races this September rather 2023, and it's exactly birthday po ngayon ni Apple kay the former president of the Philippines, Ferdinand Emmanuel Edralin Marcos Sr. Happy birthday Apo Lakay today. Yeah. September 11. And also yung at the same time ngayong araw din to, September 11, yun naman yung yung 9/11 tragedy, bumagsak yung World Trade Center sa US na dulot nung Taliban group ni Bin Laden noon, no? Kaya bumagsak, nagkaroon ng invasion sa Amerika noong 2001 naman. Sumabay pa sa birthday na yung nung dating pangulo ng bansa na si Apulakay FEM. Yan. Okay, at sa Miyerkules naman, advance happy birthday to our beloved President of today, President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr. Yan, again, another salute. This time to the current President. Alright, this is Don Patrick D. Paragular here for another racing day here on Dipat's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. This September 11, 2023, one of the most historic day in the world sa balat ng daigdig. Opo. Dahil nga po makasaysayan talaga yung mga September 11. Aside sa mga yung mga dami man yung mga trahedya o yung mga birthday ng mga kilalang personalidad. So, yeah. Alright. So, September 11, 2023, race day number 3 of the scheduled 8 race day schedule. And we are still in this track layout for the month of September 2023. And before we proceed to our newest edition of the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, here now is our summary of our previous race day. Last Wednesday, September 6, 2023, na nauwi sa brownout ang race for third at championship race, but still, we still somehow managed to finish to close out that our festivities during that race day. September 6, kaya nag-brown out yung race for third at saka yung championship. Buti na lang malakas yung solar power light natin, kaya somehow GNP, hashtag GNP, ginawa ng paraan. Ayun. Alright, so we are now summary of previous race day previously on Dipat's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. And sa Group A, ang mga naglaro ay sina McLaren, Cosmo Atomica, Darksun at Polaris. Sa Group B naman, sina Venom, Setsuna, Miwik at Metalder naman ang mga kalahok. And after that grueling classification pace in the group stage, it turned out to be Cosmo Atomica spearheading their group in Group A with 2 wins and 1 loss. Only lost to McLaren, and wherein McLaren, yung si McLaren naman naging 4th placer, 1 in 2. Tapos 1 win, 1 loss, 1 draw naman sina Darksun at Polaris, splitting all of their 3 assignments. So, tig-isa yun na panalo, talo, tabla. So, kinailangan yun ng tiebreaker pace to determine their placing, the second and the third place in their group. And it turned out to be Polaris emerging as the second seeded car A2, which is A2 going to the quarterfinals. Darksun relegated to A3. And in Group P, wala naging problema. Venom sweeping that group stage with the undefeated 3-0. And then Setsuna splitting all of its assignments with 1 loss, 1 win, 1 draw. Then Mirik with 1 win and 2 losses. And Metalder with 2 losses and 1 draw. So, yun yung mga magkakasunod-sunod. O, yun na rin. Venom, Setsuna, Mirik, Metalder, B1 to B4 respectively. Yung po, yung naging standing nila, so walang naging problema. Alright. And in the quarterfinals matchup, A1 versus P4 was Cosmo Atomica versus Metalder, and Cosmo Atomica emerged victorious over Metalder in their quarterfinal duel. A2 versus B3 matchup was Polaris versus Mirik, and Mirik won over Polaris. Entered the semifinals for the first time this Stock Motor Conference. Dark Sun was beaten by Setsuna in A3 versus B2 matchup. Si Setsuna naman ang lumusot. And then A4 versus B1, McLaurin was beaten by Venom para makapasok sa semifinals. So ang semifinals matchup were Venom versus Cosmo Atomica, Mirik versus Setsuna, at yung semifinals naman na between Mirik and Setsuna, yon din yung race number 1 nung September 6 na nauwi sa hit. At the same time, yon din ang nangyari, deja vu. Naging deja vu, time in time again. Hindi naman over again eh. Deja vu, time in time again bigla. Namerta sa Rosa, yung semifinals number 1 natin. Just like in Group B race number 1, Setsuna was won over Mirik by hit. Dahil nakatama si Mirik, eh, hindi na natin nasalo. Ayun, sumabit si Mirik, tapos nabangga ni Setsuna, ayun. So, yun ang nangyari. Kaya hit, sila rin pareho yung hit na yun. Nung dalawang hit na yun, sila pareho yung involved. One in group stage and in the semifinals round. Yun lang po yung naging hit natin. Wala naman tayong naging re-race on that note. Walang re-race na nangyari nung September 6. Semis 2. Semis 2 naman, Venom defeated Cosmo Atomica. Yun yung nangyari dun sa semifinals number 2. Then in race for third rather, it was Mirik versus Cosmo Atomica, and Cosmo Atomica emerged victorious over Mirik in a 6 lap race dahil umembang nga lang si Mirik, medyo sumabit. Sumabit lang, hindi naman embang, sumabit lang. Buti nga ganun lang eh. Ang hirap kasi pag ang VC tumalsik off the tracks. Nako, katakot-takot na bangga aabutin na, manipis pa naman yung bumper noon. So yun yung inaalala po ng inyong lingkod dyan, Alright, so Cosmo Atomica emerged third placer, and then in the championship race, a rematch on the like in the first day of Stock Motor Conference, yun din ang naging championship rematch between Venom and Setsuna, but this time it was Setsuna who emerged victorious, avenging its defeat previously over Venom in their second outing, and therefore it's Setsuna who will be our defending champion coming into tonight's race day. Si Setsuna, yung mga podium finishers are as follows: Setsuna as champion, Venom as second placer, Cosmo Atomica as third placer, and Mirik as fourth placer, with garnering 4, 3, 2, and 1 point. 4 points, 3 points, 2 points, and 1 point respectively. Alright, so we are now in our new set of the Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive racing action here on DPAT Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference with our first with our Group A race number 1. This time naman, lane 2 yung starting lane ng higher seed. Lane 2 ngayon yung higher seed sa Group A. Magpapalitan sila ngayon. Last time kasi, lane 1 nasa yung lane 1 nasa Group A. Yun din yung Group A nung Wednesday. So this week, games 3 and 4 sa lane 2 naman ng starting lane ng Group A, which is Team Bahay, at ang Group B sa lane 1 ng starting lane ng higher seed ng Team Labas this time, this week, 11 tsaka 13. Alright, so without further ado, let's now proceed with our group stage or classification phase in the group stage, which will feature our first race for Group A. It's going to be Magmar going up against Polaris. Yung higher seed dito ay si Polaris. Yan. Alright. So in our Group A race number 1 tonight, today pa lang pala, dahil medyo magtatakip nasa takip ceiling stage pa lang tayo, sunset stage pa lang po eh. So medyo late afternoon race natin. Tandaan po niya, yun sa mga nalilito po mga kadipat, dahil nga po, Dahil alas 5 na po yung simula ng D-Pads Tamiya League natin. So that prepare pa po yung inyong lingkod ng hapunan. O talagang naiba na po yung schedule ng inyong lingkod after the tragedy happened. So, moving on to that, from that, kinailangan po ng kaukulang mga adjustments on my part. So, therefore, we are starting early beginning last Monday, September 4. So, that's why we are starting early here on D-Pads Tamiya League for a special conference only. So, I reiterate that our season 4, our fourth regular season will resume on May 2024. Alright, so going back to our race day today, it's our race number 1 in Group A, which will feature Polaris taking on Magmar. And in this matchup, it's going to be Polaris starting at lane 2 and Magmar starting at lane 1. So lahat ng Group A sa lane 2 starting lane ng higher seed. Ang team labas, lane 1. Then alternate na po yung going to the KO station na may mag-champion tayo. Alright mga ka-D-Pat, let's get this party started on Apolacai's birthday here on D-Pads Tamiya League season, stock motor season. Stock motor conference period ngayong buwan na ito, and let's get this game going with our race number 1 of Group A. Switch on. Hihit pala. Ready, set, bye. Polaris na kayo. Ganda. Out. Back two for Magmar. Final lap. Okay, ito. Winner. No re-race needed.
Magmar wins. Alright.
Ang loser's bracket niya si Polaris. Bumimbang lang eh. Buti na lang nahinto. Nagtulumi pero nahinto. Nasigawan ng tulumi pero nahinto. Good thing. Alright. Magmar, Polaris lost, Magmar won. Okay. Next. Okay, mamaya na to. Race number 1 of Group B this time. Alright. Race number 2 of race number 2 for today, for this edition of D-Pads Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. In our race number 1 of Group B, this will feature Venom, the current second placer, going up against Empey in our race number 1 of Group B. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1, Empey at lane 2. Alright. Race number 1 of Group B. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Nice work. Final lap. Teo, leader. Red corner wins. Red lane wins. Empey winner. Okay. Empey winner. Natulumi, nasigawan ng tulumi si Venom eh. Natulumi. Alright, Group A race number 2 will feature Cosmo Atomica, the top seeded in the group, current third placer for today, defending third placer, going up against the comebacking Stargek, our guest racer for this month. In our Group A race number 2, we're in our starting lane of the cars. Cosmo Atomica at lane 2, Stargate at lane 1. Alright, Group A, race number 2. Switch on. Nako, halimaw. Ready, set, bye. Oops. Warning. Sorry. Okay. Ready, set, bye. Okay. Final landing there. Uy, hindi pa. Final lap, suwaki lang ano. Balikin. Okay.
Cosmo Atomica winner.
Alright. Alam, bilis-bilisan natin para makaano pa tayo ng hapunan kahit konti, no? Stargate plus Cosmo 1. Next, Group B race number 2 will feature Setsuna, the defending champion, coming into tonight's race day, going up against Neon Sarah in our race number 2 of their group. And in this matchup, Setsuna starts at lane 1 and Neon Sarah starts at lane 2. Alright, race number 2 of Group B. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Final up. Setsuna was just too much. Oh! Membang pa! Nag-change lane pa! Pumunta pa rin sa kapila. Last na ano na nga lang eh. Last lane na nga lang, bigla pang pumunta eh. Nasobrahan dun sa bouncy state, biglang boom! Change lane. Wala na. Pero walang hit ha, walang hit involved. Sumempla na si Setsuna, nakuha natin kagad. Going home na sana eh. Sayang.
Neon Sarah looking over Setsuna on that note.
Neon Sarah with a fluke over Setsuna. So memplang pa, durug. Uwi na nga lang eh. Uwi na nga lang yun eh. Right? Dito pala, Neon Sarah, talo pala. Talo si Setsuna. Ayun. Umembang doon, lumipat kasi doon sa kabila eh, lane 1 siya. So si Neon Sarah yung may matinong takbo. Therefore siyang panalo. Alright, next, losers bracket. Okay, losers bracket na tayo. Race number 3 of Group A will feature Stargate versus Polaris. In our race number 3 of Group A, it's going to be Polaris starting at lane 2 and Stargate starting at lane 1. Alright, Group A race number 3. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Stargate out. Final lap. Good. Winner. Mabagal na nga lang yun. May pa. Ano ba yun?
Stargate winner.
Stargate winner. Dalawang talo na si Polaris. Umimbang pa. Mas mabagal na nga yun, umimbang pa. Ano kaya yun? So, ay ganun eh. Stargate splitting its assignments. So, last assignment na lang niya ay si Magmar. Si Magmar last assignment niya. Dito na yan.
Okay, next. Losers bracket of Group B in our race number 3. Race number 3 of Group B will feature its losers bracket in the group. So, magtatapat na ulit yung mga nag-finals ng last week. Last week's finalists will go at it one more time. It's going to be Setsuna versus Venom. And in this matchup of Dark Warriors, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 1, Venom at lane 2. Alright. Group B race number 3, it's the finals rematch from last week's edition of the Patstamedic Stock Motor Conference. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Wrong side so far. Ayun! Remember! Last thing there, Venom. Snap. KO. KO. Winner. Venom, winner, making exact vengeance over Setsuna. Nakaganti rin sa wakas, okay yan. Nabawian si Setsuna. Biglang lakas eh. Partida, hindi na ako nag-charge ng lagay na yan. Hindi ko pa nga na-charge eh. Hindi ko pa na-charge yun ha. Grabe. Zero to. Alright. Group A race number 4 na tayo. Right away. Ayun, nandito na yung race number 4 na magkabilang panig. Alright. In our race number 4 of Group A, this will feature Cosmo Atomica taking on Magmar sa winners bracket. This time, yung feature natin sa ating race number 4 of each group. And for Group A, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2, Magmar at lane 1. Alright. Race number 4 of Group A. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Hop, warning again. Technical foul, sabi niya. Ready, set, bye. Naka. On to the final lap na ako nag-follow. Tapos na, Boki. Ano? Oh, yun, umimbang pa. Umimbang pa, dulo na nga lang. Going home na nga lang eh. Doon pa umimbang. Durug. Cosmo Atomica winner. Alright. Cosmo Stargate. O yan na, Cosmo Polaris. As nasa inyo. Ayos. Alright. Magmar lost. O, agawan sa ano yun eh. Winners bracket kasi ito eh. Pati yung race number 4 nung kabila. So, dalawa sa kanila makaka 2-0. Alright. Sino naman kaya ang magiging 2-0 sa Group B race number 4 na ito? Featuring MP going up the MP, the San Fernando City La Union Survivor versus the Lingayen Pangasinan Survivor Neon Sara na parehong nag-third hit. Sila ang magkalaban sa ating race number 4 ng kanilang group. And in this matchup of third hit survivors, nakaabot ng third hit, yung isa sa La Union, yung isa sa Lingayen Pangasinan, yung isa sa San Fernando La Union. Okay. In this matchup, it's going to be MP starting at lane 1, Neon Sara at lane 2. Alright. Battle of third hit survivors here in our race number 4 of Group B. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. What? What a Ayun lang. Ayun. Someone has to get right there at the last 2 laps of their duel. Somebody's has got to go. Eka nga. Ganun yung pag dalawang undefeated Pag dalawang survivor, yun talaga yung sinasabi natin. Just like what the great Michael Buffer is saying about undefeated fighters or boxers. Yan. Somebody's has got to go. And unfortunately, MP was coursed out due to that semplang. Sumemplang tuloy. Sayang, ang gandang laban sana yon kung nagkataon na. Baka bigla pang nag-dead heat sana. But then again, it's going to be Neon Sara emerging victorious over MP. Wow! Grabe! Partida, stock motor lang yun, ha? Parehong stock motor, pero kita niyo naman kung gaano kapalaban yung ating mga auto. Wow! Grabe! Grabe, ano pang aasahan mo? Ano pang aasahan mo sa ganung dikdikang laban, ano? What more pa kaya kung mas mahaba yung racetrack natin? Nako. Paniguradong exciting na laban yan sa Dipats na Mihilig. Yes, we are indeed back. Hopefully for good. Hopefully we're back for good. Wag na sana mawala pa ulit. Ay. Oh my. Neon Sara remaining unbeaten so far in Group B, while Cosmo Atomica remaining unbeaten, trying to sweep its group later on in our 6th and final race of that group. Penultimate race of Group A will feature Megmar going up against Stargek once again in this month of September 2023 on the Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. And in this matchup, it's going to be Magmar starting at lane 2 and Stargate starting at lane 1. Alright. The penultimate race of Group A, race number 5. It's race number 5 right now of their group. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Oh, yun lang. Sayang. Ganda na sana start. Final lap. Wow. Ang ganda start sana ni Stargate. Sayang nga lang, nawalan ng balanse. Wow. Grabe yun. Grabe naman yung bulusok na yun. Grabe yung sa gitsit. Wow. What a rush. But unfortunately to no avail and ended up coursing out. And to close out, it's a group assignment. It's going to be Magmar emerging victorious over Stargate. Now Stargate because I named it Stargate simply because its call came from Merlion set, the Merlion car kit, which is a limited edition car kit to commemorate the 50th anniversary of Singapore independence, Independence Day in Singapore. That's August 9 since 1965. So that's why na-invent yung ano na yun. Stargate will end up 1-0, Magmar 2-1. Let's see kung mag 1-2 rin si Polaris laban kay kay Cosmo Atomica. Alright, this time penultimate race of Group B will feature Neon Sara taking on Venom in our penultimate race of Group B. Yeah. So in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1. Again, Neon Sara one more time, starting at lane 2. Alright, the penultimate race of Group B. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Neon Sara ahead. Venom rushing up. Venom catching fire. At the final lap we go. Wow. Teko. Wow. What an amazing run. What an amazing run between those two. Wow. Venom emerging victorious over Neon Sarah to close out its group stage campaign with a victory. Therefore, Venom will end up 2-1, and Neon Sarah also ending up with 2-1. Grabe yung si Git-Gita na yun. Partida, stock motor lang po yan, mga kadipat ha. Stock motor conference yet, ganda pa rin ang pinakita. Actually, ang stock motor conference, all stock pa rin ang labanan, pero stock motor lang pong allowed gamitin. Yun po ang dala. Kaya sinabi ko stock motor conference. SMC. Stock SMC. Ganyan. Alright. We're now down to our last two races, last couple of races here in the group stage with our final race of Group A featuring Polaris taking on Cosmo Atomica. And in this matchup, it's going to be lane 1 as starting lane for Cosmo Atomica and Polaris starting at lane 2 on this 6th and final matchup of Group A. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. What an upset! What an upset! Grabe yun mga kadipat! Polaris winner! Closing out its group stage campaign with a victory over Cosmo Atomica. So dalawang 2-1 at dalawang 1-2 win over the other. Mangyayari dyan mamaya. So madali lang to. Siguro wala naman tayong tiebreaker pace ngayon for now. At least for now. Tingnan natin mamaya. So yung dalawang 1-2, A3, A4 na lang yon. Yung dalawang 2-1, A1, A2. A1, A2 yan. So si Cosmo at Magmar, A1, A2. Polaris, Target, A3, A4. A3, A4. Yun lang mangyayari dyan. So mamaya, madali na, hindi na natin kailangan yung points niyan. Kasi ano naman hindi naman sila nag-imbangan pareho eh. Kung isa lang naman umembang, nagtapos naman yung isa, points yan. 2 or none. 2 or 0 lang yan. Alright. Final race of group stage will feature Setsuna battling out against Empei in our 6th and final race of Group B. And in this matchup, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 1, Empei at lane 2. Alright. The 6th and final race of Group B. Switch on. Also the final race of group stage for today. Ready, set, bye. Last two. Final one. Off, jogging. Natulog eh. Drogging. Drogging. Draw. Tatapos na sana si MP, bigla pang nasigawan ng Tolome. Katatapos lang ng walang matigas na pulis sa GMA eh. Meron pa rin palang Tolome. Akala ko natapos ng season 1 ng Tolome. Meron pa rin. Na-extend. Na-extend eh. Sabay patawa eh, no? Ay! Draw nga pala, no? So, split pala kay MP. Tsaka kay Setsuna. Si Setsuna pero mas mababa yung rank. Wala pala to. Wala pala to. Okay. Wala ito, wala ito. Okay. So, there goes, that goes that will do it for our group stage for today. And sa mismong kaarawan ng ating dating Pangulong Apulacay, Ferdinand Edralin Marcos Sr. Yan, once again, happy birthday to our beloved Apulacay. Yan, today, at saka advance happy birthday on Wednesday to our current president today, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President BBM, of course. Although naka-green pong inyong lingkod, still unity pa rin. Green nun. Alright. So, total of 4. Black ball pen nga pala dapat 4 points, tapos 4 points din si Magmar, pero win over the other yan eh. So, therefore, A1, A2 yan. Sino bang nanalo sa Sino bang nakatalo kay Cosmo sa Polaris lang. So, therefore, si Polaris lang nakatalo kay Cosmo, di ba? Therefore, si Cosmo ang A1. Cosmo Atomica A1. Nanalo naman siya kay Magmar eh. Cosmo Atomica FMA. Tapos, ang A2 ay si Magmar MA naman. Red MA reinforced chassis MA. Yan. So, A3, A4. 2 points each. Pero sinong nanalo sa pagitan ni Polaris at Stargate? Stargate, di ba? O yun lang ang panalo ni Stargate kay Polaris. Therefore, si Stargate ang ang A3, A4 si Polaris. Yun. Stargate VZ. Tapos si Polaris S2. Super 2. Next. So settled na pareho. Settled na pareho yung yung group A. Masisettle din natin pareho to. So, didiretso tayo sa KO stage mamaya-maya. In just a bit. 2-1. Si Neon Sara at Venom pala 2-1. Kaso, base ng winner over the other. B1 si Neon Sara. Tapos, si Setsuna at saka si MP pala 2-1. 2-1 pala. Pareho palang Pareho palang embang yung dalawa eh. Si MP natalo kay Venom, naunahan. Tapos natalo kay Neon Sara. Medyo naunahan din. Umimbang din. Tapos parehong umimbang sina Setsuna at MP. Lang pala, 1 point each. Tiebreaker pala to. May tiebreaker pa pala. Pero yun sila lang. Ayun. Okay. Yun, gala. Alright. So, meron pa pala tayong yung nagtabla, 2 losses, tsaka 1 draw sa Group B. Sina MP at Setsuna. Ayun yung pinakauli. So, therefore, na yan, tiebreaker. Last man standing. Tiebreaker phase tayo. Alright, tiebreaker phase lang galit. Short tiebreaker phase tayo between Setsuna and MP. So, dahil 2 losses and 1 draw sila pareho at sila nga mismo yung naglaban doon sa 2 losses, 1 draw din. Kaya mayroon 1 draw sila. Dahil sila mismo yung pinakahuling naglaban sa group stage. Therefore, rematch sila pero switch lane. Switch lane ngayon. Last time si Setsuna lane 1. Lane 2 ngayon si Setsuna. Therefore, Setsuna lane 2, MP lane 1. Alright, tiebreaker phase. Mabilisan lang tiebreaker phase to determine yung, yung 3 and 4. Switch on. Unang umimbang lower seat. Ready, set, back. Okay. Settle. Okay. Sabi sa inyo, mabilisan lang eh. Sabi ko sa inyo, mabilisan lang. Hindi kailangan tapusin yung lap requirement kapag tiebreaker phase. Last man standing concept is applied. So therefore, si MP ang B3, Setsuna B4. Ayun. Ayos na. B4, Setsuna. So si Setsuna ang lalaban kay Cosmo Atomica. Tapos yung B3 na laban kay Magmar ay si Empey. Sila na naman pala ulit yata from last Monday. Sila ata yun eh. Sila ata yun. Oh, Magmar Empey sila rin. Pero this time A2 B3. Last time kasi A4 B1 naman. Higher seed si Empey. This time na si Magmar ang higher seed A2 versus B3. Wow. Okay. So rematch na naman pala nung last week's quarter final. Ganon din yung isa. Yun din, A1 D4 din. Cosmo versus Setsuna. Alright. Stargate versus sinong Venom. Tama? Ay hindi. Neon Zara tama, Neon Zara. Natalo pala kay Venom eh. Si Neon Zara yung B2. S2. Puro mga S2 lahat yan eh. Venom S2. So ayos na yung ating knockout stage. Alright. At the end of our group stage classification phase in the group stage tonight, it's going to be like this. Ito yung group stage result natin. So ito yung mga nangyari. Si Cosmo Atomica at saka si Magmar ang mangunguna sa kanilang group with 2-1 identical 2-1 win-loss record, but due to the winner over the other rule, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica garnering the higher seed being A1, and Magmar will be A2, and then A3 and A4 settled by win over the other as well with identical 1-2 win-loss record are Polaris and Stargate. But Stargate won over Polaris on their duel, therefore Stargate will be A3, Polaris will be A4. Alright, matching up against itong sa Group B naman, si Venom at Neon Zara yung naglaban sa race number 5 ng kanilang group at nanalo naman si Venom over Neon Zara, therefore doon nagkaroon ng ng 2-1 identical 2-1 win-loss record, therefore Venom will get the upper hand as B1 and Neon Zara will be relegated to B2. And then yung B3 and B4 sinettle pa natin ng tiebreaker phase na mabilisan lang, last man standing. Pare silang 2 losses and 1 draw sa kanilang group. Sila rin yung pinakaling naglaban, nag-rematch ulit, switch lane. Pero unang umembang si Setsuna, therefore Setsuna will be relegated as B4 and B3 will be Empey. So yun, i-ayos po natin yung ating knockout stage to close out early. So yung blue panel na ipapalit natin dito. Okay. Ito pag-group lang naman tong black, yung dalawang black. Pwede naman identical lang naman yan anyway. Okay. So dito tayo. Dito na natin ilagay yung KO stage. So sino yung A1? Cosmo. A1 is Cosmo. And then si Cosmo, tapos yung B4 ay si Setsuna. Cosmo Setsuna yung Cosmo Setsuna yung A1 versus B4. Yung A4 versus B1. Top seed ay si Venom. Venom Polaris mangyari dun sa isa. Next, yung si naman Empey B3. Therefore A2. B3 pala. A2, sinong A2? Ito B2 eh. Sinong A2? Magmar. Ayun. O tapos Neon Zara, Stargate. Yan. Alright. So there you go. So all is set for our knockout stage for September 11, 2023 edition of DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, which will be started this time by the duel between Neon Zara rather, going up against Stargate. Yung po yung quarterfinals number 1 natin. Paikot po tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4 nung last week. Last Wednesday, 1, 2, 3, 4. This time now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ganun yung mangyayari sa sunod. Okay. Tapos sa Wednesday naman, ito naman, pabaliktad. Ito naman yung mauli. Okay. A3 versus B2 matchup will feature Stargate taking over Neon Zara in our quarterfinals number 1. And in this match up, it's going to be Neon Zara starting at lane 2. Again, starting at lane 2. Lane 1, ang starting lane naman ni Stargate. Dahil higher seed po, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. This week 2, mauna yung lane 2, then lane 1 naman the next. So, ganun mangyayari yan. Alright. Adjust on time. Medyo matatagalan na tayo dyan this time around kasi mag-a-adjust tayo. Depende sa adjustment. We only have 1 minute to adjust. Or 30 seconds rather. We can reduce that to 30 seconds. Alright mga ka-DPAT, it's now time for our knockout stage mga ka-DPAT in our DPAT Stabilic Stock Motor Conference. Once again, this is Don Patrick D. Peregrina here for another set of Tamimini for Web Racing action on Apulacay's birthday today on DPAT Stabilic Stock Motor Conference, and we are now in our knockout stage to be started right away with our quarterfinals number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, watch. Okay, inbound. Saldi. Last race changer, Leon Tara. Final up. Oh, relay. Did not finish. Natanggal yung kaul eh. Yan. If parts of the car fall during the race, it may still continue. Kung roller lang, bumper, or gulong lang yung natanggal, pwede pa po yun. We can still allow that to run. But, if the cowl, like this, natanggal yung takip, bumukas yung takip, natanggal, did not finish, considered course out po. Pero pag natanggal yung gulong, roller, or bumper, pwede pa natin ituloy yan. Pero sa kasong ito, cowl ang natanggal, yung takip. Therefore, re-race tayo. Re-race po. Manila Bulletin Rule, yung sinusunod po natin. Pero in conjunction with FIMA rules. International ruling po tayo dito sa DPAT Stabilic. FIMA sanctioned. Parang basketball lang, FIBA rules applied. Dito rin, FIMA rules applied. Ang pinagkaiba lang yan, yung sa Manila Bulletin Rule. Pwede nating apply yung if parts of the car fall during the race. Kung part lang, pwede pa. Pero kung ang takip nyo natanggal, course out. Embang na yun. DNF yun eh. Did not finish. Therefore, re-race yun. Condition for a re-race din already. Para maliwanag. Ano? Alright. Teka. Ay, sorry. Dito pala. Alright. First of two restarts in our quarters. 1. Ready, set, bye. Good. Last two. Final out. Uy. Okay. What a run by Stargate. Grabe. Grabe yung takbo ni Stargate doon, mga kadipat. Wow. And unfortunately, Neon Sara again being eliminated early on in our quarters 1. Upon its elimination, Stargate will emerge victorious and will enter the semi-finals round. Alright, so yung A3. A3 yung nanalo sa ating quarters 1 against B2. Alright, so isang team labas ang natanggal. Alright. Dito na lang. Sige. Next. Race number 2 in quarterfinals round. Okay. A4 versus ano yan? B1 versus A4. Alright. B1 versus A4 matchup between Venom and Polaris in our quarterfinals number 2. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1, Polaris at lane 2. Yung po yung mga starting lane po nila. Alright. So, 30-second adjustment. Alright. So, pareho pala super to. Pareho pala super to ito. Dito talaga. Venom lane 2, Polaris lane 1. Alright. It's now time for our quarterfinals number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay. Aray. Aray po po. Kami Rivera. Ako. Final up. Okay. Seiko. Eliminated. Sibak. Polaris Sibak. Polaris eliminated early on, and it's going to be Venom emerging victorious in their quarterfinal duel and will advance once again to the semifinals round. So additional 8 points minimum para kay Venom. Opo, tabla sina Setsuna at Venom sa unahan with 7 points apiece on aggregate. So isang team labas, isang team bahay tanggal. Ang nasipa. Tingnan natin dito sa ating quarter 3. Pang-ikot po tayo clockwise direction. October, counter siguro. Hindi natin alam. Tingnan natin. Alright. Quarterfinals number 3 will feature A1 Cosmo Atomica taking on B4 Setsuna in our quarters 3. And in this matchup, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1 and lane 2. Lane 2 nga ba? Lane 2 pala si Cosmo Atomica. Then lane 1 is the starting lane for Setsuna. Yan ako nga dito ano? Medyo pawis na yung gitna eh. Iba talaga pag pawisin yung racer. Alright mga kalipat, let's get ready to rumble here in our quarterfinals number 3. Switch on! Ready, set, bye! Aray! Natulong! Natulong eh! Aray po! Final up! Natanggal si Setsuna, bro! This time nakabawi si Setsuna, ay si Cosmo Atomica against Setsuna. Last week kasi nabawian siya eh. Nadali siya eh. Pero this time siniguro ni Cosmo Atomica na siya ay uusad muli sa semifinals round, and unfortunately Setsuna is eliminated early. Yun, balik sa Carbox si Setsuna. Dahil ito si Cosmo Atomica yung uusad sa ating semifinals round, at ang makakalaban niya ay isang pamilyar na kalaban in Venom. So Cosmo Venom ulit ang semis round natin ngayong araw na ito from last Wednesday. Grabe. Grabe, ganun talaga ang D-Pats Tamilig, just like any other sport. It's so unpredictable. We'll never know what's gonna happen. We'll never know until we run the cars on the tracks, you know. Alright. Final quarter-final duel is going to be A2 Magmar going up against B3 MP in our quarters number 4, fourth and final quarter-final round of today's action on the D-Pats Tamilig Stock Motor Conference. And in this matchup, it's going to be Magmar, I think. Magmar number 2, no? Okay, so therefore Magmar will start at lane 1, MP at lane 2. Alright. Alright mga kalipat, let's get ready to rumble in our fourth and final quarter-final duel in our KO stage. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay. Aray, re-race. Re-race pa more. Re-race pa more. Okay. Medyo nagkukulang na sa down class yung ano ko eh. I-ano ko ng konti. Alright, first of two restarts in our quarterfinals 4. Ready, set, bye. Okay. Last man standing. Yun na naman. Last man standing. Last man standing. Stock motor na nga lang yun eh. Last man standing pa. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? Direk. Dapat talaga may 30 seconds ano tayo. Adjustment. 30 seconds lang naman. 15 to 30 seconds. Pero pag mga re-race, 15 seconds. 15 seconds lang. Alright. Okay. Final restart. Ready, set, bye. Kabulan na kabulan. Tama. Baso. Hanggang ahead. On to the final lap. Oh my goodness. That was a close encounter between Magmar and MP on that last man standing race na uuwi rin pala ng 6 laps pareho. But in the end, it's going to be Magmar emerging victorious over MP, and unfortunately, yung tatlong team bahay ang papasok sa ating semifinal round. Yung tatlong team labas, si Bak. Si Bak, yung tatlong team labas. So, wala pa rin naman sweep, pero 1-3 this time, team bahay. Last week kasi ang team labas ang nag-dominate sa Stock Motor Conference last week. On our second week of competition, it's going to be yung team bahay naman ang magdo-dominate sa quarterfinal. Alright, grabe. Grabe to mga kadipat. Pating inyong lingkod, hinihingal na palibasa kasi walang ventilador. Di bale? Di bale? Mag-ventilador na lang mamaya. Pagkapalit. Alright. Alright, so si Venom lang yung natitirang survivor ng Team Labas. And in the semifinals matchup between Venom and Cosmo Atomica, so yung dalawang top seeded cars ng magkabilang grupo, sila ulit ang magkalaban sa ating semifinals round. Yeah, but before we proceed, yan, let's just confirm sino yung mga pumasok. Magmar, Stargeek, Venom. Tapos X yung iba. Cosmo, Venom. Sila rin yung naglaban nun sa ano eh. Sila rin yung A4B, A1, A1B1 eh. Top seed din. Sa labanan na naman ng mga top seed ito. Pero yung si ano kasi, si Venom, defending second place. Defending third naman si Cosmo Atomica sa overall ranking. Therefore, ang starting lane ni Venom ay sa lane 2, Cosmo lane 1. So yung po yung mga starting lane. Base dun sa ano, kasi pareho silang top seeded ng magkabilang grupo, sila magkalaban sa semis. Ang magbabasehan natin dun yung kanilang mga rank sa aggregate scoring or nung last previous race. Nung previous race, ano yung kanilang mga podium finishes. In that case, Si Venom ang mas mataas, number 2 siya. Second place, third place lang si Cosmo Atomica. Therefore, lane 2 is the starting lane for Venom and Cosmo Atomica will start at lane 1 on this semi-final duel here in our knockout stage of DPATS Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Continuing this knockout stage with our semi-finals number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Naku, naghalimaw yung dalawa. Dos po po. Tulong. Tulungin na naman. Nakasigawan ng tulungin. Ilang tulungin na yan. Final lap. Mawa 1, 2, 3 ngayon ng team bahay, I think. Let's see kung mawa 1, 2, 3 sweep ng team bahay itong gabing ito. With Cosmo Atomica returning to the championship race. Yan. So at first time ata? Yes, first time. Tama. So first time for Cosmo Atomica to enter the championship race this month of September 2023. Here on DPATS Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. So si Venom nalagay sa race for third. Malalagay ngayon sa race for third. So madagdag lang niya ngayon 1 or 2 points sa aggregate. So 8 or 9 ang tapos niya ngayong gabi. Makakaungos kay Setsuna ng 1 or 2 points. 7 points apiece kasi si Venom at Setsuna. Last week kasi sila yung mga finalist. Tapos nag-split sila. Una si Venom, sumunod si Setsuna. The following race day si Setsuna naman. Kaya 7 points apiece. 4 and 3 respectively. 4 plus 3 parehas. Alright. Semifinals number 2 will feature Magmar taking on Stargate. So, yung Group A number 2, kalaban ang Group A number 3. Sa ating semifinals number 2, definitely madali lang to kung sino yung ranking. O yung ranking nila sa classification sa isang basen dyan. So, in this case, it's going to be Magmar starting at lane 1 and Stargate will start at lane 2. Alright, mga ka-DPAT, pinakalian na natin. Adjust na. Alright, mga ka-DPAT, let's get ready to rumble here in the semi-finals number 2. Switch on! Halimaw to. Ready, set, bye! Good. Tapping finger. Final up. Alright. Okay, remake. Just when we thought Magmar is about to win it, but unfortunately, nabigyan pa ng pagkakataon magre-race. Ayun, may chance pang bumawi si Stargate. So at least si Stargate may 1 point na siya minimum. Guaranteed 1 point na yan dahil nag-semis eh. Guaranteed 1 point. Kahit ano mangyari dito. Kung madadagdagan lang yan, kung either madagdagan lang to, either maka first, second, or third siya. Ipeber. Ayos. Okay. Hindi ko na maiipan yung MA kasi naka-enclose yung motor eh. Low shot kasi. Alright, mga ka-DPAT, first of 2 restarts here in the semi-finals number 2. Oops. Ready, set, bye. Patay! Pareho na basuka, last man standing. Nabazuka ni Cobalt B. Tumaob eh. Tumaob, nabazuka. Nabazuka ni Cobalt B. Me bezuke ni kubet mi dereng. Alright. Final restart in our semis 2. Ready, set, bye. Final layer. Okay. Final up. Aray, membang pa. O, membang pa. Durug. Nahuli na nga eh, ng membang pa rin. Ano kaya yun? Dinig. And, surprisingly, Stargek will advance to the championship race to battle Cosmo Atomical para sa kampyonato. So, meron tayong bagong champion ngayong gabi dahil si Setsu na maagang natanggal. Si Venom naman nalagay sa race for third lang. Kalaban si Magmar. Yan. So, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica versus Stargate in our championship race for today's edition of the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Grabe to. Bagong rivalry naman this time around. Alright, in the meantime, battle for third or race for third rather between Venom and Magmar. So yung top seed ng B1 ng Group B kalaban yung second seed ng Group A. Therefore, lane 2 for Venom, lane 1 for Magmar. Yung po yung kanilang mga respective starting lanes. Yan. Lane 2 for Venom, lane 1 for Magmar. Kasi higher seed si Venom. Obvious na. Top seed sa Group B, tapos second seed naman sa Group A si Magmar. Again, race to 6 lang po all the way from group stage hanggang championship. Puro race to 6 lang po tayo lahat muna for the entire September 2023. Alright mga katipat, without further ado, it's now time for our race for third this September 11, 2023 edition of the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. First to 6 laps. Switch on. Dito pala. Napihit yun pala yun. Ready, set, start. Good. Good. Okay. Out. Final lap. Last time. Tanghila na. Medyo nangihina na eh. Kaya ganun na lang yung takbo ni Magmar eh. Medyo umihina na eh. Medyo umihina na yung battery. Alright. It's going to be Magmar who will emerge victorious. So, kumpleto po ang 1-2-3 sweep ngayong gabi ng Team Bahay or Team Home. So, kumpleto po yung total domination. It's going to be a total domination for Team Home. Ngayong araw na ito ng Lunes, September 11, 2023 here on the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Grabe, 1-2-3 sweep this time ng Team Bahay. Last week kasi Team Labas ang nag 1-2-3. Meaning top 3 Team Bahay. Last week Team Labas. This week Team Bahay. Alright. Championship race na po tayo between Cosmo Atomica A1 versus Stargate A3. So, maganda laban to. So, ang starting lane ng ating mga kalahok, Cosmo Atomica will be at lane 1. Stargate will be at lane 2. Yung po yung kanilang mga respective starting lane sa kanilang duelo. Yan. Makaya ni Stargate ang 6 laps na championship. Can Stargate close this out with a bang with a championship tonight? Or will Cosmo Atomica dominate and catch up with Venom and Setsuna on aggregate scoring? let's find out here, mga ka-Dipat, to culminate our festivities for this Manic Monday edition of DPAT's Tamil League Stock Motor Conference with this championship race. First is switch on. Ready, set, start. Final finger. Aral! Sayang. Final na. Alright. And that's it. And that's it. And that's it, Pansit. Alright. So that will close out our latest edition of DPAT's Tamil League Stock Motor Conference with our new champion, Cosmo Atomica. Yan, emerging victorious, topping the list. So, top seed all the way. And eventually winning the overall championship for today's race day on DPAT's Tamil League Stock Motor Conference. Pero itong si Stargek, not bad at all dahil itong si Stargek nakapag second place. So 3 points. Makaka 3 points siya ngayong gabi on aggregate. Si Cosmo Atomica naman, meron na siyang, I think mga ilang points. Ilang points na ba si Cosmo Atomica? Total. Plus ito ngayon. 6 points. Makaka 6 points siya ngayon on aggregate. After winning a championship. Alright. I-ano lang natin itong Okay. Tanggalin na natin. Nakastan lang po kasi yun. Kaya ganun lang kadaling tanggalin. No? Alright. Podium finishers are these cars. Yan are these these are the podium finishers for today's race day. Let's start off with Cosmo Atomica emerging as our new champion for today's race day on DPAT's Tamil League Stock Motor Conference. Yan, so a total of 6 aggregate points na po this month of September 2023. So dominated po ng Team Bahay. 1, 2, 3 sweep ngayon ang ginawa ng Team Bahay. And a major surprise for our league today, Stargate emerges victorious as the second placer for today's race day on DPAT's Tamil League Stock Motor Conference. Congratulations. And Magmar emerging third placer today. Yan, after finishing third place today with 2 points additional on aggregate. So a total of na siya? Meron na siyang yun, first 2 points for the month. First 2 points. Si Venom naman, fourth placer ngayong gabi. At tapos na merong 8 points on aggregate. So still topping the list on the aggregate scoring this month of September 2023 with total of 8 points. So lamang pa rin si Venom sa aggregate scoring on top of the list with 8. Setson na in second with 7. And then, Cosmo Atomica in third with 6. And then, si Magmar, 2 points. Target, 3 points. Si Mirik, 1 point. MP, 2 points. So, yun po yung mga may score ngayong Alright. So, that will do it for our latest edition of DPAT's Tamil League Stock Motor Conference this September 11, 2023. Once again, happy birthday today to our beloved former President Ferdinand Edralin Marcos Sr. today, at saka advance happy birthday kay President BBM on Wednesday, September 13. Kita-kits po tayo dyan sa DPAT's Tamil League Stock Motor Conference sa mismong araw na yan. Alright, so magpapatuloy pa tayo sa Miyerkules for this exciting Stock Motor Conference here on DPAT's Tamil League. With yours truly, Don Patrick D. Paragilao for now signing up. And thank you so much to all who watched and whoever will watch anytime on this video log today. Well, actually tonight na po dahil ang oras na natin. I think mga 6, around past 6, 8 p.m. na po yung oras ngayon. And as always, I remind everyone to stay safe and healthy. Avoid negative vices, and especially drugs and all other negativities around you, and protect yourselves from all those negativities at all times and at all costs. And as always, mga kadipat, to God be all the glory and honor. God bless to all of us. God bless our beloved Maharlika nation. And God bless the entire world, and all of us Filipinos, Maharlikans across the globe. At muli po, ito pong inyong punong lingkod, Don Patrick D. Paragular, leaving you a pleasant Monday evening to all of you. Monday evening na po dahil mga 6:30 na po sa mga sandaling ito. Alright, as always mga kadipat, mahalin po natin ang Pilipinas at taos puso po nating ipagmalaki sa buong mundong tayo ay Pilipino. Isigaw ng malakas ang ating panalo, taos puso at taas noo kahit kanino. Mga kadipat, sama-samang bumangon muli as always at this has been another presentation of another exciting edition dito lamang yan sa Dipats Tamiya League Facebook page. Once again, this has been your Dipats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference for September 11, 2023. For now mga kadipat, good night ulit at magkita-kits tayo ulit sa Miyerkules sa pagpapatuloy ng ating Dipats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Syukran!